Now, the Kautilya Economic Conclave 2024 concluded on Sunday in New Delhi. At the closing session, India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar said that BRICS has generated a lot of interest among other nations. Dr. Jaishankar also spoke about the importance of Quad, saying it is one of the key mechanisms in the Indo-Pacific. He also said that the United Nations has failed to step up on key global issues, including COVID and conflicts. The External Affairs Minister further said that the United Nations is like an old company, not entirely keeping up with the market.
What are the prospects?
The final day of the Kautilya Economic Conclave 2024 saw a thought-provoking session with leaders discussing some of the most important issues confronting the Indian as well as the economies of the global south. India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar attended the closing session on India and the globe. Dr. S. Jaishankar spoke on a number of issues, including India's role in global south, global interest in expansion of BRICS, importance of Quad, and India's relations with its neighbor. Jaishankar also questioned the role of United Nations during global challenges, including COVID and conflict.
Probably the biggest thing which happened in our lives was COVID. Now, think about what did the UN do on COVID, and I think the answer is not very much. Now, you have two conflicts going on in the world today, two very serious conflicts. Where is the UN on them? Essentially a bystander.
Dr. S. Jaishankar also warned about the potential danger of AI. Speaking at length about India's role on the world stage, Dr. Jaishankar emphasized the importance of a proactive foreign policy in today's rapidly changing geopolitical landscape. He pointed out that India is forging strong and progressive ties with countries across the globe.
It's in the nature of things that every nation naturally prioritizes its interests, but I would argue that global south itself has great value on a range of issues. Again, I don't have to position myself as a leader of the global south. You are part of a collective, and if in the collective you are a trusted member of the collective and you are an articulate member of the collective, I think people expect you to do a little bit more. Again, I'm not entirely sure that some of the answers can be found bilaterally.
The closing day session at Kautilya Economic Conclave also saw the participation of Bhutan's Finance Minister, Leonpo Leke Dorji. The minister highlighted the strategic relationship with India, which has been a long-standing partner in Bhutan's development journey.
I want to congratulate our honest, our closest and the friendliest neighbor for working towards a developed India by 2047. A developed India is good for Bhutan, it's good for the region, and it's good for the world. We in Bhutan will always be rooting for India.
As the Kautilya Economic Conclave 2024 drew to a close, these discussions reflect the pressing need for nations to rethink their alignment and global strategies. The three-day conclave, which began on October 4, has set the stage for meaningful dialogue and future cooperation. Bureau Report, TD India.